Hey guys, it's Clay at Mallard Motors. Got a new Tacoma on the lot. I'm going to show y'all some details on. Don't forget about our referral program we have going on. That's where you can get $200 in cash. I'll tell you more about that here in just a minute. This is a 2009 model Toyota Tacoma SR5. It's got a 4.0 liter V6. It's got some brand new headlights on the front, fog lights on the front. Got some chrome trim around the grill there. It's kind of a dark hunter green sort of color, almost black looking. It's 4-wheel drive, 4-door crew cab. It's got a brand new set of mud tires all the way around. And then you got some alloy wheels there. Those are, I think, 16 inches. You also got new tail lights on the back end. Got a towing package. Bed liner. Got keyless entry for it. Got cloth interior. Still in good shape. Got power locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors. Got manual seats. One thing I forgot to mention. This one does have a backup camera back there. You got 156,000 miles on the dash. Got cruise control on the steering wheel and some controls for the radio. You got just a basic stereo setup with a CD player. No Bluetooth, but it does have an auxiliary input. There it is down there. Got electronic differential there. Your backup camera is actually up here on the rear view mirror. It just kind of pops up there behind the mirror. Tacomas are really popular, and this one's in pretty good shape, so I'm sure it's not going to last very long. If you got any questions about it, I'd be happy to talk with you. You can reach me down here at 870-639-9200. And as I mentioned before, with our referral program, you can earn yourself $200 in cash. Just let us know ahead of time who you are and who you're sending to us. And when they purchase a vehicle priced over $4,000, we'll give you $200 just for sending them to us. Thank you.